Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem a code on Steam. So codes on Steam look something like this. They're about 12 digits, alphanumeric, both letters and numbers. Could be a little longer, could be a little shorter, but this is what they will normally look like. In order to activate a key on Steam, what you're going to want to do is open up Steam and log in, obviously, and then go up to the upper left-hand corner and go to Games, and then go to Activate a Product on Steam. It's going to say, are you sure you want to activate a product? Go ahead and click Next. It'll give you the TOS or the Terms of Service. Go ahead and click I agree. And then you can see here, it gives you an example of what Steam keys or codes look like. As you can see here, here's the one that I showed you earlier. It may be significantly longer, or it may not have any dashes at all. But if it looks something similar to this, you've got a valid key. So go ahead and copy and paste the key that you have into the product code box here. And as you can see, I've copied my code into the activation box there, and then click Next. It will say, all right, activating game. All right, then it will say activation successful. It will tell you the name of the game. If you want to print a receipt, if not, go ahead and click the finish button. Then it will automatically take you to the install page to directly allow you to install the game that you just activated with your code. I'm not going to do that for the purposes of this video, but I am going to show you another way to activate a code if you want to do it from your browser. All right, and the next way to do it is to open up a new browser tab and then go to store.steampower.com/account/register key. I will have this URL in the description of this video in case you just want to click it. And then once you're here, it will then take you to the Activate a Product on Steam page. It will allow you to insert the code like we just did. Go ahead and paste that code into the product code box. Go ahead and check the I agree tab here, which is a little check mark, and then go ahead and click the continue button. If we hit continue, it will then activate that code. Do the same things that it did earlier. Make sure you're logged in and you are good to go. So this has been the two best ways to activate a code on Steam. If you have any questions about how to use Steam or anything in regarding your Steam account, put those in the comment section below. If this was helpful, go ahead and help me out by liking and sharing this video, and subscribe to the channel if you want more great, simple technology tutorials just like this. Talk to you next time.